Hi, I'm going to show you how to add content to the Open Learning Exchange library. Um, when we talk about content, we talk about really any kind of educational materials that you want to share with people. So we have this add content link here. If you click on that, it will, if you're logged in, it will take you right to the add content page. If you're not logged in, it takes you to the login screen because you have to be logged in order to add content. So this is my demo user. I don't remember what the password was. Hopefully I'll get it one of these times. There we go. So I have my screencast user set to a site admin. So if you're a site admin, you would see all these different options, which we should probably disable. But if you're not, you would just see collection and resource. So a resource is basically one file or a video, one video, basically one thing. If you had like a, say an ebook that was a bunch of images, you might put them all together as one resource because really they're just each page, one page of each resource. We'll start by adding a resource here. You can also, if you just have something you want to share that's in text format, or you want to create something new, you can just write content in here. You don't have to have something already. This has a little, option for formatting the text and adding images. You can also embed videos and audio, which I can show you how to do in another video. But this video is really about uploading documents. So here you can pick a single document. I don't know why it's not letting me select that one. I think I don't really have that much on here. So here are some movie files. Probably not the best example because they're big, but maybe I'll show you. We'll just try this one here. So it's a video file. It's starting to upload, and while that's uploading, you can create a title, test video, and you can write a description. In general, the content isn't used and isn't displayed if there's a file. So if you want to write a description of it, you can do that. And then here you have to say what language it's in. I mean English. Pick a jurisdiction, which is basically where is this, where is the content designed for. Subject area and a grade. If it's aligned, so those are the three that are required with the star next to them. But you can fill out other things, sort of what kind of resource it is for related to a course. There's also some more metadata down here about who created it, or if you want to have some categories of levels. If you have specific educational standards, you could add them here, or license is actually another required one. We default to the Creative Commons attribution, but if it's not that, if it's somebody else's content, you want to pick the appropriate one, or if it's not here, choose other. I'm going to say other because I don't know what this is. If there's any other resources that are required to use this resource, books, software, hardware, you can put them there. And then also, finally, if you have an existing collection that you want to add this resource to, you can pick from this list of existing collections. In this case, I'm not going to make it a part of a collection. And we just have to scroll up to the top here and see that this is now done. There's no more progress bar, so it's done uploading, and we can just hit save. So that's the basic process of a collection. Since the MOV file is not a kind that can be previewed, there's no preview here, but if it's either a .fla file for a flash file or a .m4v, I think, any kind of MPEG-4 video that, well, not any kind, certain kinds will get previewed there. So if you have multiple files that you want to upload together as a collection, you can also do that. You can go to add new content and say add a collection. And what's great about this is that say you have like 10 resources that are all being used for a course. So we say, how do you spell course? Upload files, and instead of just uploading one, you can upload, are these big? No, that's nice and small. So you can upload all of these. Now I'm selecting these by saying either shift click to select everything in between, or control click will select specific ones. No, well, I think on the Windows it's control click, on Mac it's command click. So you can select several files and select open, and this will then start to upload all of those files. So again, we have to do English or whatever language it is, some jurisdictions, some subject area, and some grade level. And then here, since we're uploading a bunch of files, we'll have to wait for them to be finished. Okay, so I just paused the video while those were uploading, and we've already filled everything out, so we can hit save. And what this does is it actually generates a individual resource for each of these videos and puts them within a collection. So we made this collection called Test Course. This is the outline, the table of contents for it, and it has a separate node for each one. So we can pick one of these that we want to go to, and it will show it. We can also page through them one at a time with these links down here, and we can go up to the next level up. You can make multiple hierarchies. I'll show you how to do that in a different video, but that's the basics of uploading content. If you click on the information tab here, it'll show you the metadata that you added on the collection resource. So that gets populated on each of the resources within that collection. So I hope that helps.